Guys, what's going on? Today I'm making sweetbread tacos on the Blackstone griddle. It's gonna be money. If you don't know what sweetbreads are, stick around. I'll tell you what they are, show you how to prep them right, and show you how to cook them on the stone. Good tacos. Gonna be good. Hey guys. Alright, I'm in my kitchen. Sweetbreads is what we're cooking today. Gonna put them on the stone, as I said a little while ago. And basically, this is how you're gonna find your sweetbreads in your store. Beef sweetbreads. What they are is from the thymus gland of the cow, or a young calf, actually. Now, they also make them or come from lamb and even pork, but beef are more popular. And actually, in the Mexican culture, you'll find them in their local butcher shops, Mexican butcher shops, as mojias, and you'll find them in Mexican restaurants as mojias. But you go to grocery stores, you're not going to find them as mojias. They're going to say sweetbreads on them. And that's what, I call them, that's what they are. But mojias is more common. Now, let me open this up and I'll show you what they look like, okay? We'll go from here. All right, guys. You can see water's coming to a boil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, okay? Then we're going to go with 2 teaspoons, or a teaspoon each rather, of black pepper. And a little kosher salt. And yeah, that woke that up, didn't it? All right, now the star of the show. There you go. Get that in there. And what this does is actually has a kind of like a gamey flavor, and this will kind of neutralize that gamey flavor. Let it boil 15 minutes on a slow boil to get that reduced down a little bit. Like I say, that little innard flavor, gaminess, and it kind of softens them up. It'll tenderize them a little more. All right. We'll let this boil. You don't want to see that. And then we're going to put it in that ice bath that I was saying. So stick around. All right, guys. It's been 15 minutes. I'm going to take this off the burner. We're going to take it over here and put it in a colander. Strain all that water out of there. And as I stated, it is then going to go in an ice bath to shock it over here. All right. I'm gonna let it sit in there for about 3 minutes or so. Okay. Just to shock them, stop the cooking, mainly. And then we'll take it down, pat them dry. Cut them down into smaller slices, and they're going to go outside on the stone. Okay? Simple. All right, guys. These mojitos, sweetbreads, have been chilling for a little while. And as you can see, they're not very pretty, but they're very tender. And you just want to slice them up into bite-sized pieces as best you can, and grill them up. Like I say, these can go outside on the Weber or whatever grill you have, or you can grill them, fry them. I'm gonna throw them on the black top, kind of a semi-fry with a little oil, little corn oil, and gonna make some good tacos out of them. Okay? Trust me, guys. You know me, you trust me, right? These are gonna be good. So we get the rest of these cut up, and we'll go outside and get the stone going on. All right, guys, this grill is nice and hot. I've oiled it. Throw a little more on this side. You know me, I always start my cooks on the stone with a lot of onion. And I've got that going on right here. All right. A little bit. Again, I'm gonna just to get a little flavor more on the grill, as well as in the air. Drive my neighbors crazy with that grilled onion. That's all that's about. Got both burners on high. Really only need this one, so I'm going to turn the second one down a little bit. You see that there, yeah. First one's on high, second one I just turned down about medium low. Okay. It's hot enough, it's smelling good enough. Get a little more oil down. Alright. I think it's a little hot. Let's top in. And let's throw these mojitos on. One thing I didn't tell you a little while ago is I added some serrano peppers to the mojitos. They're sweetbreads. Alright. Alright. I'm going to throw a little more oil on here, and this is corn oil. Okay. Just going to fry them up a little more. And again, I'm going to warm up some corn tortillas and I'm going to tear it up. Just want to get a good little toasting on these things. And they're really, really tender, guys. Let me tell you. They are really tender. They're going to come out great. Alright, guys, get these going here. Still getting good little color on there. Oh yeah. Get them a little, not crispy, but just a little char. Tell you what, those serrano peppers are roasting really well. They had a little, what do you call it, like tear gas in the air. Trying not to cough on the video here, or not that you're watching me, but and like I say, you do the same concept when you're grilling them on the Weber, with the exception of you don't have to rotate them as much. Okay, but cast iron is a good way to get them done too, and a bit faster as well. All right. Get these wrapped up a little longer, and we'll see how they brown up. Alright, guys, you can see these are crisp up or fried in this oil really well. Total cook time is about 5 minutes. Get them in this bowl here. Let them kind of cool down a little bit. You know, another reference, a friend of mine, so you can see that there. Another reference, a friend of mine kind of told me that these were kind of, reminded him, were like chitlins. You ever have chitlins? Pretty close to that. Alright. So, let me get this grill cleaned up here. And I'm actually turning down the heat because I'm going to warm up some corn tortillas on here in a second. Okay, let me go grab those. Alright, got my corn tortillas. And throw them on there. You know me, I'm always doing 3 tacos. So he's gonna warm up 3 tortillas. At least for right now. Do them on the stone, just a lot quicker, simpler, and easier. Alright guys, you've seen tortillas warm up before. It's not that big a deal. Gonna get these warmed up. Gonna get some tacos prepped and we'll give it a taste. Alright guys, there you go. There you go. Sweetbread tacos. Very intense flavor. I'm telling you, kind of like a tripa or chitlins. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's taste it. Alright guys, let's try this taco out. I'm telling you, good stuff. Give it a shot. as always. Crunchy from that grill, you know, the Blackstone. Good flavor, unique flavor. Try it if you haven't tried it. It's almost got like kind of a bacon taste, actually. With a 3-pack kind of, yeah. Trust me, it's good. It's good. Thank you guys. I appreciate you checking it out. Hopefully you stuck around for the whole video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you again. As always, catch you on the next one.